Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. My name is Rossana and I invite you to stay tuned because there's a lot of great and exciting things coming your way. Let's see. Now that we're done, let me put this back here with the rest of my dishes. And let's give it one last scrape down. Let's mix it all. Look at how beautiful that is. Yeah, baby. Look what I have here. I'm so excited to be able to share this moment with you. But first, I want to thank God because He's the one that's taken us to where we are today and has exceeded all of our expectations. I'm so honored. Second of all, we want to thank our family and friends that have been there for us. And let me give a special shout out to my mom and dad who have instilled all of my Mexican culture and roots and delicious foods. They are amazing and I love them for that because being Mexican is something I'm really proud of and I love that I can share all of that with you. Mami, papi, muchas gracias por todo lo que me han enseñado y por su apoyo incondicional. Last but not least, I want to thank you all. You guys are faithful subscribers. You're the ones that make this channel come alive. I love all of your comments, all of your humor. Some of you really make me laugh. Even some of the criticism. Maybe. I still like debating on that. We try to take it all in and listen to you guys because, like I said, your support, your feedback is very much appreciated. Thank you so much for everything that you have given us and for sharing, our videos, our recipes with other people. You mean the world to me. All right, Nelson, do you want to say something? Let's get the cameraman to say something.
Okay, I'm always behind the camera, but I wanted to say thank you guys as well. Let's get to 1 million. Now,
yeah.
Now let me get back to work.
This achievement belongs to you as well. Thank you so much for always watching. Until the next one.